So today I am shooting cats with my blowgun made by myself. For those who are watching, please pause this and read the description down below. So that cat walking, I mistaken it for the cat on my list because it has the same color and face, but the one in my list is bulkier. But I'm glad I didn't hit it. Reminding you, please read the description down below. So this is the end of the video, guys. If you want more videos, please comment down below and subscribe and like. If you want a tutorial for how to make a video of this blowgun, please subscribe and comment down below. Peace.